Eating more veggies is one of the best things you can do for your health in general, but it's also great if you have diabetes. I'm gonna show you how to make over this classic Cobb salad with lots of fresh veggies. Let's get to it. We'll start with our dressing. Dressings are a great way to make veggies taste a whole lot better. Yummy dips are probably my favorite way to dress up some veggies. So we're starting out with our mayo here. And we'll also add in our yogurt. And using a mixture of mayo and yogurt together is the perfect combination. It adds the creaminess that you're looking for in your dressing or your dip, but it also makes sure that your recipe has less saturated fat. I also love the addition of a little bit of lemon juice. And then we don't have to use a ton of salt, but we are using tamari to get that salty flavor. We also have some grated Parmesan, which helps with that saltiness and nuttiness factor. And we're gonna add our fresh herbs as well. I have my chives here and I just need a couple chops of chives. And the chives and this parsley that we're also gonna put in here just adds a nice fresh herbaceous flavor. And then we also have our garlic. So I give it a nice little smash and that just helps it release the essence of the garlic. Plus it makes it super easy to go ahead and peel off for this dressing, especially if you're making it for a crowd. Get that fine mince on your garlic. So there's just little pieces in there and you're getting all the good flavors of your garlic. That looks good there. And then you can either use a spatula to mix it up, or you can whisk it together. To top it off, I'll add a couple of cracks of black pepper. And now I'll set this aside and we will get going on our actual salad. First, we'll start by chopping our romaine lettuce, and you can just rough chop it into your dish. Of course, when you chop it up, it ends up being a ton. So you can use your hands also. Even though I gave this a rough chop, I like to also tear it into the bowl. Makes it super easy on you. And then the rest that I chopped, I'll just throw in here. And I used to be very salad averse. I thought that they were the only option I had as someone with diabetes. But I found ways over time to really enjoy salads, really enjoy how they taste. And also, I've just learned that salads don't have to be boring. So you can add really great ingredients like vine-ripened tomatoes to make your salads look pretty and taste really, really good. So I'm gonna slice my tomatoes in half, and then in half again, and in half again. So we'll spread these out and throw them in. Next we have our avocado, and I just hold it and I let the knife do the work and I cut around it. And you can see it's as easy as that, and you can twist it and we've got the perfect avocado there. So I'll take out the seed, and then I like to cube my avocado for Cobb salads. And there you go, you've got perfect avocado chunks. And then we're gonna work on our eggs. So I have some eggs already chopped here and pre-peeled. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna give this just a rough chop, and we'll add it in to our salad, and we'll also add our other bit of chopped eggs in there. Next, we'll slice up our cucumber, and this adds just some additional color and crunch to our salad. This looks so good, it's so colorful, and I love that the tomatoes, the cucumbers, and the lettuce that we're using deliver almost 3 cups of veggies per serving. So you're getting in tons of veggies in this beautiful bowl, and this salad already looks amazing, but we've got a little more to do to get it ready. I know that the traditional Cobb salad has chicken and bacon in it, but even though we're keeping this vegetarian, using ingredients like our eggs as well as our crunchy chickpeas still give this chopped salad 15 grams of protein. Next up is our blue cheese. I love tangy flavors in general, but blue cheese is like one of my favorite additions. So next up is our dressing. And the key to a great salad is all in how you dress it. And I like to go really light-handed because you just want to make sure things are just dressed. You don't want to oversaturate your salad. So I just add a few tablespoons at a time. And then we just do a good toss, see where we are, and add as we need it. I'm getting this on to my plate and I love it. I'm just getting a little bit of every ingredient on there. I'm just gonna get a little bit of everything that I can find. I want a little tomato, I want a little cucumber, I want some eggs, some chickpeas. We're gonna get it all. We can have it all in this salad. So let's take a bite and see how it tastes. I love the crunchiness of the chickpeas, the creaminess of the dressing. Those fresh herbs come through from the dressing into the full salad. Just the fact that this is a ton of veggies, it's like blowing my mind and making me so happy to know that I can have something that is blood sugar friendly and this delicious. So there you have it, a creamy, crunchy, colorful chopped salad that has tons of fiber and looks beautiful. And I'm telling you, I'm ready to dig in. That's a good salad.